Yo, what's up? Welcome, Vani TV. Today, I'm going to explain, show you guys how to create the most simplest introductions, yet the most coolest. It's just cool, man. So, first of all, go to panzoid.com. Link will be in the description. So here are the creations of other people in this community. So what you could do is pick over tons of introductions or outros. So first, I'm just going to give you an example and pick, say, this one. Open in Clipmaker. Here's the thing I like about Panzoid. To do all these stuff, you don't have to log in or anything. So it's pretty neat. We could view the template first to make sure it suits you. So neat, man. So what you want to do to make it the most simplest intro, all you have to do is scroll down in any template, just find name. Should be somewhere here, right here, right? I'll go back to where we could view the name. For example, channel name, or my channel name is Vani TV. There you go. Just change the back, the shadow. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Could go back to the start. Oopsie daisy. Right? That's pretty much it. As you can see, it's pretty neat, pretty nice. And all of that, you could change all your preferences here, up here, all the overlays and etc. Once you're done, you could also change audio. Once you're done, you could download your video or render. Sorry about that. So what I was saying is, you could render your video for free. All the templates are free. It's a pretty nice website. Really nice, to be honest. In fact, my introduction is from this website. Alright, see you guys later. This is Vani TV. Peace out.